Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you another rounding video. And today's video is going to cover rounding larger numbers, things like this. So this number goes all the way to the 100,000s place. And on this number, because it's so large, it gets very confusing about where do you go. In this number, we're going to be rounding to the 10,000s place. And the first step would be to identify where is that place. So I usually just underline that digit that I'm supposed to round to. Now, the little strategy I'm going to teach you today is to help you with these big, long numbers like this. When we're supposed to round to one place in a 6-digit number, these numbers can get very confusing. So today, I'm going to teach you a little trick. If you use something to cover up what you don't need, then this number is not quite so daunting. It's not quite so confusing. Really, in this number, when we round to the 10,000s place, we only need the digit we're rounding to and the digit to its right. We only need 2 digits in order to be able to round this number. And then at the end, we can go back and write what we need for the rest of the number. So we're just ignoring it for now, not for good. So I'm going to use a card to cover up the back of the number that I don't need, and another card to cover up the front of the number that I don't need. Now, really, I'm just going to look at this number as 51 right now. 51 is closer to 50 than it is to 60. So in this case, I'm going to just leave it as 50. Now, everything after that one that I covered up with a card is going to become zeros, including, don't forget the comma, because this is a rounded number. This number up here isn't round because it doesn't end in zeros. We need our number to end in zeros. So everything that we covered up, we're just going to change to zeros. And then the number in front of the digit doesn't change at all. It stays the same, but we can't forget to write it. Otherwise, this number is not really rounded correctly. All right, so when I round 351,678 to the 10,000s place, I get 350,000. These little cards are great to help you focus in on just the part that you need if you're struggling with these big, long numbers. All right, thanks for tuning in today. I can't wait to see you next time.